Today I will create video on text-to-speech in JavaScript.
Hello friends, welcome back you all in a new video, and in this video I am going to share you how we can create a text reader by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here first we will create this simple design and then we will write the JavaScript code. So let's start. So here I have already created the folder and there HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript file is present. So as usual, starting from the HTML file, in the head tag we will link the style.css file. Then in the body I am creating a div and giving a class name app. Then inside that I am using text area, giving id input text and some text is written inside that, and then I am using a button and giving a class name btn. There is a svg, I have used a bootstrap svg. So in the button there is a on click speak function I have written, so later we will create it in the JavaScript. And at the last I am linking the app.js in the script tag. Now styling, so first we will style the body, so background color little bit darker, then display flex, align item center and justify content center. Then we will style the app, so width 290 pixel, display flex, align item center, flex direction, column, then background color white, border radius 10 pixel, box shadow, then padding 20 pixels. After that I will style the input text, so height 200 pixel, outline 0, border 10 pixel, border none, then background, then padding, then width 100%, then font size 17 pixel, then font family gill sans, then text line left. Then I will style the button, border radius 50 pixels, margin top 10 pixel, width and height 40 pixels, border none, background and cursor pointer. After that I will give a simple hover effect, so I will change the background color little dark. This much we have to write only in the HTML and CSS file. Now in the JavaScript I will initialize the web speech API. So for that I am creating a variable constant, that is speech synthesis equals to window dot speech synthesis. So here window is the class, as we know, window dot reload, window dot width, height. So in same way there is a speech synthesis object defined inside the window class. Then this speak function we will create, so I am creating a function giving the name speech, and then the first line I am giving where input equals to document.getElement by id text input text. So whatever you will write inside the input box, that will be stored in the input variable. Then create a new speech synthesis object. So now what we are doing, whatever we have storing in the input box, means input variable, that we will pass in the new speech synthesis utterance, and this will convert that text into a object. So now I am setting a voice, so const voices equals to speech synthesis dot get voice, then read line dot voice equals to voice 0, voices 0. So I will explain you why I have written voices 0 here. So at the last line now we will write speech synthesis dot speak read line. Whatever you have written in the input box, that is stored in the input, then it is passed in the speech synthesis utterance object, and then we have stored in the read line. And now at the last, after setting the voice, we will pass speech synthesis dot speak and read line. If we will pass here like speech synthesis dot speak input, then it will give some error. So that's why first we have to convert this into speech synthesis utterance by this object, and we have to store it in a variable, and then we have to pass in the function. So this is a command, basically last line it will start reading. So let's see.
Code channel, very awesome for web development. Please like, subscribe and share. My name is Abhishek. I am a text-to-speech application.
So here you have seen this line number 13, I have written voices 0. So what this means, if I will change the index,
Coder channel, very awesome for web development. Please like, subscribe and share.
Codet channel, very awesome for web development. Please like, subscribe and share.
So as you can see, when I am changing the index, then voice is also changing. So let me show you one thing. I will console here, console.log voices, and this voice variable we have created, and I will show you in the inspect console what it is happening. So when I will click on that speak button, then here you can see there is a array. It is printing a array that is having 67 items. So what is that 67 item here? Here you can see these are the voices at 0 index, Rishi, Alex. This is the name of the voices. So like this, there are 67 voices you can use. Whatever which one voice you like, you can use by passing the index of that voice in your JavaScript file. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please hit that like and subscribe button. So see you in next video.